Layas!
Senator Erwin Tulfo is recognized.
Thank you, Mr. President. I rise today in defense of dignity, our national dignity. Spokesperson of the Chinese embassy recently lectured Filipinos and worse, Philippine officials on the limits of freedom of speech. We are told that criticizing a foreign head of state is completely unacceptable. Well, let me say this then, Mr. President. If you do not like how democracy works in this country, then you are free to leave the Philippines. Get the out. Mr. President, kung hindi nila gusto kung paano gumagana ang demokrasya sa ating bansa, malinaw po ang sagot. Layas! Layas! This is our house. Hindi sila ang boss natin at tayo ay mga tau-tauhan lang nila. To the Chinese embassy officials, you do not have the moral authority to lecture Filipinos about freedom of speech. Because freedom of speech does not exist in your country.
Senador Erwin Tulfo pinalayas ang ambasador ng China. Matapang niyang sinabi, layas! Gusto yata ni Tulfo na tuluyan ng bumagsak ang ating ekonomiya dahil lahat ng raw materials galing sa China. At ang China ang number 1 pagdating sa ekonomiya. Pero natauhan din si Senador Tulfo. Gusto niya nang makipagbati sa ambasador ng China. Binabawi na daw niya ang kanyang sinabi.
Ceasefire muna, di ba? While ongoing negotiations, dialogue dyan po sa lalo na po tinatapos yung Code of Conduct. To my understanding, base sa explanation ni Secretary ng DFA na dahil doon sa rhetoric ng parehong grupo, kabilang grupo, yung banatan, baka natigil, natenga yung pag-aayos ng Code of Conduct. Ang target natin, hopefully in 10 months, matatapos yan. Schedule pa po ng one. And sabi ko naman, open naman ako. The secretary said, are you open? I said, I'm open.